Look, if you can work 10 minutes less and easily make $25 to $30, then maybe it might sound a little weird to you, but this is really possible. People are using Google Gemini just for chatting, but the truth is, this tool can also help you earn money online. The problem is not the tool, the problem is that people are using it the wrong way. If you think Gemini can only make videos or images, then you are thinking completely wrong. In this video, I will tell you 3 simple and beginner-friendly ways so you can start earning online using Gemini. No coding, no investment. The first method is content writing. On websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancing, businesses and companies need blogs, captions, and emails. For this, if you create your account on any of these apps, then those companies will contact you. And you can simply use Gemini to send them blog articles, Instagram captions, and product descriptions. In return, those companies will pay you some dollars, as much as you have filled in there. A client says, Peck, write a fitness blog for me. You make a draft in 2 minutes using Gemini, and you can charge $10, $50. And if the blog is good, then you might also get a chance to write scripts for future blogs. The second method is YouTube script writing. Every YouTuber needs a script, but they don't have enough time to write it themselves. You can use Gemini to create viral video scripts, storytelling scripts, finance/tech videos for them, and one script can cost anywhere from $20 to $100. The third method is social media management. Small businesses need posts, captions, and ideas. Using Gemini, you can generate post ideas, make hashtags, and create a content calendar. You can earn $200 to $1,000 per month from one client. But understand one thing, Google Gemini does not make money by itself. Money is made from your skill plus execution. If you just use this AI tool, then it's a free assistant. But if you turn it into a business tool,